Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean, economical vehicle? This might be the one. This is the 2017, the Ford Taurus. Stock number is 7437A. Let's give you that virtual video walk around. Take notice of the exterior condition. It's absolutely flawless. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. Very sleek looking vehicle. One of the last years of the Tauruses. Does have the illuminated entry. Leather seats, as you're going to see. Ample legroom in the rear for friends and family that might be traveling with you. This Taurus does have over 25,000 miles. No virtual video walk around would be complete without showing you the front interior. Power seats. Navigation system. Easy access to all the controls with an arm's length, as you can see. So for more information on this Taurus or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.